Hello everybody, I hope you all are fit, fine, healthy and well. Welcome back to my channel, and here I am back again with a new chapter which is named as Weather, Climate and Adaptation. So in this chapter we'll learn something new apart from what we have read till now. This will be based on weather, climate and adaptation, three main parts. Here you see what we'll read in this chapter. Main part is weather and climate, second is seasons on the earth, and third is the adaptation of the earth. First we'll read about weather, then we'll discuss in detail about about the climate, and here is the image which is presented on the screen. Then we'll discuss something about the adaptations, some of the major parts related to the adaptations. Then we'll start from our discussion, and this video is based upon weather, which is part 1 of the वीडियो. यहाँ पे हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं दैट व्हाट इज़ वेदर एंड हाउ कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द वेदर फ्रॉम विच वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द डे, हाउ इज़ इट. ओके, सो वेदर, what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere. The temperature, the humidity, precipitation, sunshine and wind movement of a place will suggest you to make the weather of a place. So this all together add up and make a weather of a place. Clear? Now something more we'll discuss about weather to understand it properly. In a place the weather changes every day. ठीक है, हर प्लेस में वेदर जो है वो हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है, हर रोज़ अलग अलग वेदर होता है. ठीक है, सबसे पहली चीज़ हम लोग सुबह में उठ के करते हैं वो है हम लोग विंडो पे जाके देखते हैं कि भाई आज का वेदर क्या है, और उसी के पे बेस्ड अपॉन हम लोग ड्रेसअप करते हैं, हम लोग ड्रेस पहनते हैं. ठीक है, इफ़ सपोज़ मौसम जो है बहुत ठंडा है, थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है, तो हम लोग थोड़ा ठंडा ड्रेस पहनेंगे, मतलब थोड़ा लाइक woolen type of clothes पहनेंगे, right? So looking outside and listening to the day's forecast helps you to decide whatever clothes you will wear and maybe even what you will do throughout the day. Suppose अगर आपका स्कूल का हॉलीडेज चल रहा होगा, so the weather looks like sunny and you might can visit to the zoo or you can go for the picnic on that day. But अगर हम लोग देखें whereas if the day is rainy, so you might think upon twice about visiting a museum, right? All right, now we'll discuss next about the elements of weather. First element is temperature, then humidity, then precipitation, sunshine and wind movement. So let's read about them. टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ प्लेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये इफ़ेक्ट करता है हमारे रहने के वे पे. ठीक है, एज वेल एज द मॉइस्चर कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द एयर. The temperature changes constantly and thus it is difficult to record or announce it. टेम्परेचर हम लोग कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? इट इज़ डिटरमाइंड बाय द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर दैट इट रिकॉर्ड प्रोबेबली एट नून एंड द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर समवेयर एट डाउन. एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट आता है फ्रॉम विच यू कैन मेजर द temperature of a place, and that is thermometer, a special kind of thermometer which is named as maximum minimum thermometer. Next we'll talk about the humidity. So it is the amount of water vapor जो कि present होता है inside the air, and ये भी बहुत important होता है because ये हमें बताता है about the amount of rainfall and it also determines about the vegetation of a place. Hygrometer is the instrument that is used to measure the humidity of a place. Next is if you'll talk about the precipitation. So precipitation is the sum of total of rainfall, snowfall, sleet, even the dew and moist of a place. Precipitation, it also helps in groundwater, replenishing groundwater of a particular habitat. An instrument is also there which is rain gauge, which is used by meteorologists to measure precipitation, or you can say rainfall of a place. Next is sunshine. Sunshine determines करता है हमें about the temperature and thus governs the weather of a particular place. जो rate होता है of photosynthesis, it is also regulated by about the temperature only and the period along which plants of a particular area are exposed to the sun. You will also see all major formats of weather report, including the time of sunrise and sunset. Next comes the wind movement. So wind movement क्या होता है? Wind movement है बहुत important factor होता है जिससे हमें पता चलता है about the precipitations and temperature of a place. Wind हमें determine करता है wind direction जो है, it is shown by kind of clock which is called as the weather clock, while the wind speed you can measure through an instrument जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं anemometer. Okay, now I will show you the images of first maximum minimum thermometer which is used to measure the temperature. Second comes hygrometer which is used to measure humidity of a place. Third is the image of rain gauge which is used to measure precipitation. Then comes the fourth picture of an instrument which is used to measure wind movement, that is anemometer. Actually अगर और डिटेल में जाएं तो एनीमोमीटर जो है it is used in measuring the wind speed and wind direction को अगर शो करता है तो वो होता है weather clock. So this is all about weather. In this video this much is enough. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about the climates and the factor which are affecting the climate. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you have not liked and subscribed to my channel, please do it.